Being snowed in for 2 weeks already had me thinking about spring and summer travel. So I thought for today's video, I would share my 5 favorite travel items from Amazon. And number 5 is going to involve these. Number 1 on my list is hair towels. I absolutely love these hair towels right here. So when I keep them at home or for travel, for easy travel purposes, I actually keep these rolled up. Now, I know what you're going to say. Most places, like hotels, most places have towels provided. And especially here in the US, like we're used to everywhere, especially like on cruises, they'll give you as many towels as you want. But I find that like when I'm traveling, I don't like the big, super heavy hotel towels to hold my hair up. Plus, what I love about these is that I can actually position them to where they will line up to where I can push them back just enough that I can actually get a full face of makeup on while my hair is still wrapped up in one of these. So for travel purposes, like I said, I do keep these rolled up, and all I do is that rubber band that holds it in place, I put it over the button, and then when I need it, I just unroll it. And then as I show in the video right here, super easy to put on. So in this video, I actually had just gotten out of the shower and put this on like immediately out of the shower. And I literally just like got out, put it on immediately. And it already had absorbed so much water just being in that hair towel. So I also show like putting it into a fresh, clean towel that had not been used yet to show you what it looks like whenever you're putting one on like immediately. Like I said, the second one's not like immediately out of the shower, but it still shows like putting it on when you have slightly damp hair and how easy it is to put one of these hair towels in right after a shower, a few minutes after you get out of the shower, putting wet hair up into one of these to pull it up out of your way so you can do your whole face routine and get ready to go. Which getting ready to go quickly, especially on cruises, it makes travel so much easier. So that's why I love these. Like I said, super easy to take with you. If you want to buy one of these, you can get them in a 3-pack. You can get them in multiple colors. I have pink, gray, and blue. You can either get them all solid, different colors, whatever you want to match your style and whatever you personally want. But you can look in the cards above or in the description below for more information and how to purchase these specific hair towels. Number 2 is actually a long sleeve item, and it is this top right here. So I'll include a clip right here of it hanging on my door, just showing it what it looks like on the hanger and all the details with it. I absolutely love that it has this lace accent on the front only, because if you're like me, like if you have like super scratchy material on and you're sitting down, like if you're traveling at any point, you're going to be sitting at some point usually. Like I don't like the scratchy like on the back of my legs, even with like leggings or pants or skirt or whatever you want to wear with this. But the lace is only on the front. So you get that nice, frilly feel of the lace on the front, and then you don't have to deal with the scratchy on the back. And I love the way that this fits. I'm showing it with leggings right here because that's what I have for convenience for the video. You could also probably wear it with like a full length skirt or whatever pieces that you have to go to match with this. But I love that it also is a unique neutral color so that it goes with quite a bit of items that I have. I've worn it with both black and brown leggings, and it goes with both. And I love that I can change those out because I have 2 different pairs of boots. So I change my leggings depending on what, and I just love that it's so universal to go with all of those pieces. And when you're traveling, universal is very helpful. Number 3 is the only one still on the hanger, is this top right here. Now this looks a little loose. I'll show it to you on me and on the hanger on the door here in a minute, but I love this top. I love the button accents. I'll go ahead and show that clip right here. I love these little button accents on the side, and I love the way that this one cuts down. It has kind of like that U shape in the front, but it has the more square cut on the back, but the buttons make a wonderful accent with it, which also with them being brown buttons means that you can either wear them with like brown, or you can also wear them with black as well. But it is such a super cute shirt, especially with St. Patrick's Day coming up. I love wearing a lot more green in March and April, and sometimes in the summertime as well. Like it looks like a darker color. And also like as you get into fall, if you're looking for piece to carry all year, this is so super cute. I have like this brown midi skirt that I'll wear it with like either full-size leggings that are printed that match the brown skirt and the top, or solid leggings and with some cute boots to go with it. And again, because those button accents, it kind of makes a super cute piece. Now I show it wearing with like, I usually wear, because I'm not a huge fan of like v-neck on me myself personally. So whenever I do wear it, I wear a high top sport bra underneath it that I love to wear with it. And also again, that makes it more of a universal piece as well, because I'm not having to worry about tons and tons of layers. I just wear like that specific bra with it. And then usually usually what I'll do when I pack that is I'll wear another bra or another shirt as well that will require that bra, and that way like I can have those universal pieces to go with it. Speaking of March and St. Patrick's Day and spring and all of those, number 4 is very similar. I think it's actually the exact same colors, the top I'm wearing right now, which is also an Amazon piece. So it's kind of like a bonus one. I'll show that one to you in a minute. I love how the one I'm wearing has like the U on the front and the back, and it's more higher on the sides because I kind of like that fashion style for like if I just need to be a mom for a minute with messy bun and leggings and t-shirt and go really quick, then I feel more comfortable in this shirt to do it. This one is very similar, but it's got the little dressy accent on the front of it. Normally I'm not for anything that's like on this part of the shirt for me personally, but I actually found that for me, like that it's not a huge deal for me. It just adds a little bit of a frilly accent without like accentuating things. And I love how absolutely soft and comfortable this is. I'll show it to you on the hanger right now, but look how easy that those actually flatten out and they look really pretty on you. And then I'll also show it on you what I mean. Like it looks like it's a thing on the shirt right there that I told you all I don't like things on that. But with this shirt, like it feels like it doesn't really matter. It's like, I think almost like the layered effect of it. It doesn't bother me as much. It's just like a frilly, pretty accent to the shirt without like feeling like it's accentuating things. And so like for me as a mom, like when I'm traveling, I don't want to be distracted by my clothes. I want to be like in the moment with my kids, especially since the next overnight trip that we're planning is for my youngest 2 kids' graduation. I want to be focused like in the moment with them, celebrating their big day with them. So I don't want to be distracted by my clothes. So having something super cute, comfortable, and casual that you can throw on with like, throw a cardigan on with it. Also these sleeves. I forgot to like really accent these sleeves, but I love how it has that slight frill on the sleeves. And I love that I can either throw this on with a maxi dress and a cardigan and it's dressy, or I can just put a pair of jeans on for it and it can be casual. So like those days that like you want to be casual in the morning and dressy in the evening, this shirt is actually super perfect for that. And again, all of these clothing pieces that I'm showing are going to be links in the cards above and in the description below. And please check them out on Amazon. That does help support our channel, and it does help you guys to find like easy to find affordable pieces for your travel for winter, spring, summer, and fall for 2026. Number 5, and again, you guys, I'm being dead serious. It does involve using these clothespins, specifically 4 of them. You can take more, but what on earth would I be talking about? I am talking about this pop-up hamper. So you guys have seen in several videos when we took our Disney cruise in 2025, whenever we took our trip to Michigan, we traveled with 2 of these. I absolutely love these hampers. I will show a clip right here of how I use these clothespins with this piece to be able to make travel so much easier. Whenever we're going to leave, like whenever I'm on vacation, unless I'm like doing a staycation, if I'm going on a cruise or if I'm going to Canada or Michigan, I didn't want to do laundry while I was there. I was okay with bagging it up and taking it home with me. But you guys, if you've ever packed dirty clothes in a suitcase, know that it can start to smell. What we found helps to cut down on that is to travel with garbage bags. We take the garbage bag rolled up and then we travel with those. So what we do is we use the clothespins. I'll show in the video here. We use the clothespins. We open the garbage bag up, use the clothespins to hold the bag onto the side, and then whenever we are finished with filling it up with laundry, it is so super easy to just take those clothespins off, tie the bag up, and put a brand new bag in. And now you've got an easy way to keep up with your laundry. Just move it into another suitcase or just to bag it up and set it aside. And like, especially in the hotels and like even on our cruise ship, it was so easy to, if we didn't want like, garbage bags of laundry just sitting in our room, it was easy enough to put like in another suitcase or in a closet. It was easy enough to move it aside. And especially like on our cruise, our room steward actually appreciated it because it kept our room so much cleaner than some of the other, he didn't like give specifics, but like it kept it cleaner than some of the other rooms that he was having to take care of. So those are my top 5 things for specifically more late winter, spring, early summer travel for 2026. And I'm so excited to share these things with you. Like I said, you guys, we are an Amazon affiliate. So if you will, please click either in the cards above, description below, to check out some of these items to add to your list that would help us to continue supporting the channel. Speaking of which, thank you to all our members for supporting this content. Thank you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing, because that helps as well. And we really hope these videos helped you. Jesus loves you, and we will see you next time.